So in this particular video, I will be reviewing Pebble Connect. So Pebble Connect is a very hot tool right now. It's since 2-3 weeks I'm using it and really loving it, crushing it, guys. Moreover, I really love it because of their support and the integration that they're doing. Their integration doing two or three integration every day, guys. That's a big number. So let me click on Pebble. Okay, let me search for Pebble. Sorry, not for click on Pebble. So this is a group where you can ask for integrations. In the last video, I asked for Pebble Connect versus where I will be where I'm reviewing Pebble Connect versus Zapier. Then I asked the request, can you integration? That's around 11 minutes ago. I built that video. So this is it, guys. So this is their Facebook group. First of all, if you request anything, they are integrating it like anything, guys. I'm just saying this group like new integration is available, new integration is available, new integration is available. So let me search for integration, and I want the post by admins, right? My admin is my friend, so my friends, right? So new integrations from 13 June, 13th of June, they did integration, 8 people, I mean eight integration. They did a Shopify integration, guys, who all wanted to plug and paid integration. Wow, I don't know what is like plug and paid, but it looks nice, right? 12 integration. The integrator integration, doing the integration was massive base. I like really loving the speed on the actionable steps they are doing integrations. This is all about their Facebook group. So let me review this tool. So as you know, what Pebble Connect do is, supposedly if someone paid to my InstaMojo account, InstaMojo is an Indian payment gateway, or someone paid you on PayPal, then you are using a Thrive platform like Thrivecart or Samcart. Someone paid you on Samcart. Now that data is only present inside Samcart. How you can drive that data to other autoresponder to set that email, you can say the email sequence. You can begin like if someone got failed payment, then give them a cart abandonment email or things like that, right? So how you can do that? So you will use tools like Zapier, Pebble Connect. By the way, did review, as I told earlier, I did a review between both. You can link in the description, you can go and check it out. So as you can see, they are trusted by lots of brands, as you can see. And they are also, Pebble company is also used by Google. Sorry, not Google, Uber. So here is Uber. Where is Uber? So as you can see, they are also used by Uber, Cisco, and the Guardian. So this is normal. I do not want this. And how Pebble Connect works. So this is how their interface looks like, the workflows and everything. You can take a look over here. No limitations. So let's talk about Pebble Connect pricing. So they are very cheap as compared to Zapier. They are charging you around $9 per month only for 12,000 integration. That's huge, guys. Like 12,000 tasks you can do. I mean, 12,000 people can buy your product and you will get the data. Or 10,000, if 7,000 people buy it and other will go. That like $9 is nothing for you guys. If we compare other tools like Zapier, they are charging you 70, $80 per month. So this is something that I really like about Fably. They are, as you can see, you can do a limited workflow. You can create a workflow and 2, 3, 4 a limited workflow, where Zapier is limited in their, I think, $25 plan. And instant triggers happen. So this is something mean when data come, this trigger go there, go there, go there. If you're using very huge integration, then it will take maximum 5 minutes to go that, and you can track multi-step calls, limited premium apps you can use, formatters, filters, everything you are having, guys. And seamless application supported. These are some applications that are supported right now. And they do not update ClickFunnels, right? Yeah, they also integrated with ClickFunnels right now. So ClickFunnels also will be here, and this is the email. If you want the integration, just mail them. This is the email, and you can get started for free as well. I don't know, they are having free plan as well. So they started a free plan. Looks good. And they are having connect apps you use every day. So this is something that you can do. Start workflow for Ami app. You can do. task automatically, routine tasks, you can do everything automatically. You can fill in the blank, setup everything we are having. You can just look at it. When customer complete a payment, create a new server for customers, send an email with login credential. Wow, what an integration, guys! I really love this. And these are some reviews. Mark with 4.5, 4, 5, 4 out of 5, 4 out of 5. Everyone using 4 out of 5. And this is something that are pros of Pebble Connect. The cons that I found is like the Pebble Connect is having very limited apps since they are launched few weeks ago. So they are having very limited apps. As you can see, let me access my Pebble Connect. So they are having a limited app. So this is this is workflow that I created for that working integrations. So as you can see, they are having very low integrations. ClickFunnels will be over here. It's not updated in front end, but ClickFunnels is not here. Okay. ClickFunnels is not right now. SendFox, MailerLite, Moosen, GetResponse, Twilio, ConvertKit, Sendinblue, they're having lots of integration type of form. You can just pause the video and see which integration you want. I really love their integrations. Okay. So this is something that you can do, and they are having webhooks. I'm a fan of webhooks. I'm using them like anything. Yes, if I show you my this consulting campaign, I don't want. Okay, I'm using a webhook. Then I'm applying a filter. I want payment to be accepted. I created, by the way, I've created a separate video on this topic. You can go, and I'm sending an API. So this is something that I'm doing, and I'm really good fan of webhooks. So you can do webhook integration like anything, and they're very fast, guys. When someone subscribes, like in 2 to 3 seconds, I have seen they send the data. By the way, claims maximum 5 minutes to be in a safer zone, as you can see. And the cons I found is Pebble is good, but the integration, the kind of integration, are very low, and they are having like in webhook, like you can't get the data from Google Sheet directly over here. I have seen this. Like if you want the data from Google Sheet, mean you are having something like Active Campaign or other tool that integrate that Google Sheet data here, right? The Google Sheet data to be there. Some tool update the Google Sheet data. Then how you will get that, right? So this is something that I really did not like about Pebble Connect. By the way, they are good tool and they are go for it, right? I really love their integration. They are very cheap as well. And if you are just thinking to go for Pebble Connect, then I am having an affiliate link given below. You can go there. But if you are business or you are doing uh, this Zapier and task very regularly, then I will recommend you to go with that Zapier, because Pebble Connect is right now. Pebble Connect is having very low integration, guys. So this is the reason why I do not recommend them that much right now. But if you are a just starter, want to learn automation, then you can jump into Pebble Connect. And soon they will be adopting more and more integrations, and they will make it a really good charming software, right? So that's all about Pebble Connect. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, if you search for uh, Pebble, so this is their official YouTube channel. You can just go over here and see like their videos, like how they are doing things, and lots of things you can see. Let me go to video section. Okay, screen. Okay, as you can see, they are having lot of integration, like Thrivecart integration, WooCommerce, email verification. They are having like autoresponders, like FT campaign, how you can do that. Everything they are covering, guys. They do not left anything behind this. And Pebble, and if someone from Pebble Connect team is watching over here, like I am really great fan of your tool. I really love that. But the thing is, why I did not like Pebble Connect is something that is like you do not have lots of integration right now. I know you are doing lot of integrations, but soon I know you will do it. Okay. So that's all about Pebble Connect review. That's around 10-minute review where I reviewed various aspects of Pebble Connect. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my affiliate link of this is given below. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.